Right now we are at Shuanghe Cave of Shuyang County, the southwest China's Guizhou province. Behind me is the Shuanghe Cave with a total length of 300 kilometers. This is the longest cave in Asia, which attracts thousands of people every year. Rich in karst landform and different types of stalactites also makes it the paradise for cave researchers and explorers.
Exploration is something you build with the cave. At the beginning, at the very beginning, we just could see here there is something bigger than what we have ever seen, and more complicated. So we will have to come again, and then we organized the things better and better. The very important point, is to have a good data collection process. That means if you go in a cave, you must get out the information about what you see and save it. And then you organize the data and build the knowledge from the cave. The basic thing is to collect the rubbish outside. To organize the rubbish collection outside in the countryside. Before there was absolutely no organization of this. So this is the first thing, is to organize this, make a big change. Then I think the development of geopark give the local government and gives the local organization working in the area a new goal, a new meaning to protect the environment. Because they are directly concerned if the environment is degraded, is the resource that is degraded. So this makes immediately a response.